Hello guys, we are doing paper 2018 May.June 3 paper 3 and 3.1 is the variation where we'll do data analysis spreadsheets. So here in the second part of this, here task 3 spreadsheet. You're going to prepare a spreadsheet model to calculate the number of bricks used to build a wall. Number of bricks we are going to calculate that are used to build a wall. For that they need a spreadsheet, so that they are taking help from us to create that. 14. Identify the symbols used within spreadsheet formulae for the following mathematical operations. Multiply, symbol multiply, that's asterisk star we call it. Divide is a division symbol, that's a forward slash to the power of. We have like a one small symbol, like a inverted V, but it's very small, and it is I guess on the keyboard we have it. That's on 6. Yeah, number key 6. On that we have this to the power of. We call it caret symbol. C-A-R-E-T, caret. Okay, and is not equal to, we don't have anything on our keyboard such a symbol, but we can take combination of it, like two keys, like greater than and less than symbols. First less than you have to type, then greater than we have to type, so those two symbols will become not equal to in Excel. So type in the symbols in the table in your evidence document. Okay, now let me go to the evidence document. Evidence, this is 18, right? What is the evidence 5? It is evidence 5. Sorry, evidence 5 is this. Just let me check. Not this one. I'll open this one. Yeah, evidence, yeah, here symbols used, shift 8, this is star asterisk, and second one is the forward slash. Third one is shift 6, caret symbol, and the D is less than, greater than. This is not equal to. Okay, save, and let's go to the question. Open the files to J1831 estimator and J1831 bricks in a spreadsheet package and examine the contents. Okay, edit the file, the estimator, so that it should look like this. Okay, no sizes and all given. Just looking at this, we have to create. Save this as a spreadsheet with a file. Yeah, then we will add our candidate number. Okay, let me open that first. Let's go to the folder. Bricks estimator, select, right click, open with Excel, and other one as well, select, right click, open with Excel, those two. Okay, there's a bricks one, and the other one is the estimator. This is estimator. Okay, see, look at this. Fine. Now we're going to create, we can modify our file like this exactly. Okay, so first row is merged up till C. Even the second row is merged up till C. Row is merged up. Okay, let's actually adjust the contents so that we can see that clearly. Here, see, there's a one. Just widen the columns so that we can see clearly the column contents in single column. Okay, this is the one, and I have to just take till C and I have to merge them, go home and merge in center. And this as well, till C I'll merge, second row, home, merge in center. And its size, we need the size. What it could be the size, maybe 40, 45. Okay, let's see. Home, I'll take like 36. This one I'll take like 40. I'll take. Okay, 40. And what is the font? What is the font? Okay, this font looks good. It's looking good, right? Okay, now when it comes to the second one, home, we'll take like around 20, 22, and which one will take? Okay, this one, and just we can make it bold. Okay, looks good. Now we have the background as well, right? For these two, background is for the two. Okay, just home, this one just a gray color, 25. Okay, this one. Okay, anything more in this? Fine. Is it looking exactly? Okay, done. Now what else? We are going to save this. Okay, let's save this. File, save as. We'll save in the same folder. Estimator. Then after that, underscore. We'll take candidate number here. And we have to save this as an Excel workbook. And make sure you're saving in the same folder. Okay, next. This is done. Take a screenshot showing the cells A1 to C12 of your spreadsheet, including the row and column headings. Place this in your evidence document. Screenshot they want. Okay, A1 to C12. Let me just take a light shot and a print screen button. Even they want the column headings and row headings and column headings. Okay, so what I'm going from here to here, I'll take like this. Okay, exactly how they gave us the picture. Okay, copy and go to evidence 6, paste. Done. Okay, place your name, sentence number and candidate number in the center of the header, only center of the header, and automated file name including the path on the right of the footer. Okay, for this, now just go view page layout. Here is the header, in the center only all the details they want, comma, center, and candidate. Done. This is done, only the center. And at the bottom here, automated file name. Okay, just click here. Yeah, when you click, when the cursor blinks over here, you see the header footer automatically appears there. And just click open, and in that we need the file path, right? File path and file name as well you get there. See there, this is the path and this is the file name. Next, from step 17 to 20, you may enter test data to help you create a create your model. Okay, thank you. Restrict the data entry in cells B4 in cell B4 to S or D only. So what does it mean? We are restricting in this one B4 cell is there. Where is B4 cell? Okay, let me close this view. Let me go back to a normal view. B4 here. Here, see, there's a lot of text here, but here in the cell they want only to enter SRD. See, please enter SRD. That's it. We can't enter any other letters at all instead of S or D. So how can we restrict that? Okay, first we will select the cell, go to data, data validation, allow list, and what is the source? S comma D. Okay, see, it got a one drop down arrow there. If you just click that, you find this. Out of these two only you can select. You can't just type in here, even means it won't be there. You can type in, but it won't be existing. See there, it gives you error. Okay, it gives you error. So it takes only S or it takes only D. This is the restriction. Okay, now let's see the question. Take a screenshot of your method of restricting. Okay, we have to even open the dialog. Where is the dialog? Data validation. This they want to see. Okay, so we'll just keep it next to it and we'll take a screenshot of it. Print screen and just crop how much you need. But this this should be seen. Okay, be careful of that. Then copy. Then go to the evidence. We have to place here. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the question. This is done. So 17 is done. Enter a formula in cell B10 to display single if cell B4 contains S, double if cell B4 contains D. And in B10, how do we do that? Okay, this is over. B10 over here. So if you select D, it has to display here double. If you select S, it has to display here single. Okay, for that we use if statement. Okay, it means if condition. Okay, so if open bracket, here what is the cell? B4 is equal to, suppose if I take S comma, its syntax is like this. See there, logical test, value if true, okay, or value if false, just by separated by commas. That's it. So value if true, single. In double quotes you have to leave. Another one, value false, double. Close the bracket. See, it's since S is selected, single is appearing. Let me just see D. Now double is appearing. It's working perfectly. Enter a function in cell B9 to look up the name of the type of brick using the file and the one we have, no bricks file. So name of the type of brick, that's we are searching. Okay, we are searching. When here actually they are two connected. Let me just tell you. B9 over here. Okay, type of the big brick chosen. You see your seventh. What we enter here, accordingly the name appears here. But here is the one where we write the lookup function, searching. Okay, here if I show you the other file, just let me widen this all. See the details over here. If you see here, brick code is there and brick name, this is second column. From this, values have to come to that B9 cell. Based on this type of the brick is this one, means bricks code it is. If we take C, just now I said no, what we enter in the above. See, if I enter C over here, it has to appear what is the name of the brick? Chiltern something. Chiltern has to appear. If you take A, so Longville has to appear. So for this we are writing, for this name we are writing the lookup function. Okay, now let's start in this equal to, since we are searching for the name in a vertical column, so we look up open bracket. Now lookup value, see I'm saying no, what we enter here accordingly it has to search for the name in that name column in the other file. So lookup value is this for us now. Okay, now lookup value is done. Table array, where is table array in the other one? Okay, now we can take the whole or even two columns as well, we can take like this, because till the column in which we are searching for the information that we have to have. So here I'm getting in the second column itself the name of the brick, so I'll just leave it till second column selection only. Okay, see automatically it's selected, the code the syntax is been made over there automatically. Fine, you can see there. Now click there, comma. Now you see column index number in this selection, what is the column index? This is first column 1 and this is column 2. So we'll write here column 2, from where we are getting the information, in which column we are searching for the information. That's a column 2. Now the exact match we want, so for that we have to use false. Just press enter. See here, since we don't have any value here in B7, so it's just giving an error. Now let me enter. Let me just check what I enter. Shall I enter C? Okay, let me see. I'll enter C. Okay, then press enter. See there? We got it. So this is searching. This is looking up. Actually, I like the letter H all the time. H for hope. Okay, so honey buff. Yeah, it's so cute name. So let me enter H. Here instead of C, I'll enter H. Press enter. Honey buff over here. From the other file it's coming. So our formula is working perfectly. Now let me go to the next. Yeah, this is the one we have to understand it a bit, and there's a lot of work here, and the formula goes very long, lots of additions, multiplications are there. Let's concentrate. Some walls are single skin walls. These are 1 brick thick. Stronger walls are double skin. These are 2 bricks thick. Okay. To calculate the number of bricks that will be required for a single skin wall, the following formula is used. Okay, what is that? The length and height of the wall are multiplied together. Where we are doing all these things, okay, we have to follow instructions are given over here how to calculate, but really what to do, way to do, it's given in question number 20. You see that. Enter a formula in cell B11. Which formula of all this understanding? Okay, so let's start. What they are saying, just let's keep on step by step do it so that it's easy for us. Now I will enter in B11. Okay, to calculate the number of bricks only at last. This is all for the number of bricks only, right? So the length and height of the wall are multiplied together. Okay, I'll go to cell B11. Okay, here equal to For single skin, they told us, okay, just sorry. I'll see length. See here, length of the wall. This into and height of the wall. This over. Fine. What they said. Slowly we are doing it. This one. See, multiplied together. We did this. This is divided by the face area of each brick. Divided by face area. It's in the other file. Okay. Now let's go here. You will get over here. Get back here. Now we have to divide this whole thing, the product, by the face area from other file. So let's just use a bracket over there so that we can divide it. That's what board must write. Divided by. Now face area. Where is that face area? Here is it. Right? 0. This is a face area. Fine. So for that, I have to use VLOOKUP. Fine. VLOOKUP, open bracket. Now, what is the lookup value? Again, we'll take the this one, the type of the brick. Fine. B7. Then we will go to the other file. You see here, from this we need, right, from this D column, 4th column. So from the beginning we have to select all 4. We have to select. Fine, all 4. And you see the address has been adjusted. Then give a comma. Then from which column we are getting the values? Column index number is the column from which we are accessing the values. That's 4. Okay, the face area. Then we need the exact match. Okay, now I'll close the bracket. Okay, now we have to add more. Okay, this is just in the beginning only. We have to go a long way for this. Okay, let me just highlight it. Okay, this is done. Now for the single wall, single skin, it's done. Now twice as many bricks are needed for a double skin wall. This all what we did is for the single skin. Now twice, 2 times of the same thing is needed for the double skin. So that also we have to adjust in the formula. So if you see here, this is a formula, and how do we know which is C? Suppose this is D. D, if you select D, double wall should be calculated over here. If you just select single over here, single wall should be calculated. Fine. So single wall should be calculated here. So that way we have to, for that we have to use again if condition. Okay. So what we do, equal to if, open bracket. Now this P4 is equal to D. Now this time I'll take D. D, comma. Then this is the value to be calculated into 2. Here what we added, into 2. Okay. Else means if not, it will go to a single wall. So we'll paste the whole, this VLOOKUP, the whole thing as it is. Okay, this whole thing. See from where? From the calculations, from multiplication onwards we have to take. Okay, I'll copy this and paste after comma. After comma. This is for the single. Just what I copied, pasted is for the single. And for the D, this first one, into 2. 2 times, no? It is said. Okay. N. Enter. Okay, now we'll go for the next. For both double and single skin walls, an extra 10% is always added as some bricks will be damaged. So already what we have is the wall is of 100%, right? Now extra 10%, see how it's given, extra 10%. So 100% plus 10% is 110%. So 110% by 100 is 1.1. Fine. So that we have to multiply over here. Okay, we have to multiply that 1.1. So in the beginning only we'll do that. Here 1.1 into. Okay, that's it. Because some might be damaged for that. And an extra 50 bricks are added as some will need to be cut. Yeah, they just cut and break and all, they'll adjust, right? So in that case 50 anyway we have to add. So again that also in the beginning, it goes in the beginning. So 50 plus. Fine, 50 plus. Yeah, because 50 plus 0 is 50. We haven't had given any the phase or the type of brick. So that it's, since 50 we added, so 50 is showing. Fine, this whole thing is done. So this is what we did till now. Here, see, we are using this for calculation of the bricks. You can only buy whole bricks. This is the one. Whole bricks in the sense we can't buy half bricks or quarter bricks. So we have to buy the whole brick. Whole brick means we have to, if we get any decimal places over here in the calculation, that should be rounded off. That should be rounded off. So we are going to use the round off function over here. Yes, round up, open bracket. Okay, and here we are rounding up off to 0, means no decimal places at all. Just give a comma, 0, then again close this, enter. Okay, rounding off is as well, it's done. So how this will work, how this is going to work? Suppose here height and the length and height of C in the other bricks file. Here in this bricks impacts phase, sorry, phase over here. See, this is this much. Okay, number of bricks you see here. Suppose if I take for H, H got 139.75. Okay, 139.75, 139.75, and height is 1. Suppose if I take wall is 1 centimeter. See, we need the 52 bricks there. Need 52 bricks there. Okay, so this way our calculation is working, and it's of single wall, and for the double wall it will be 53 bricks. 53 bricks. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Now next, 20 is done. So when print the spreadsheet showing the formulae, make sure it is in landscape. Rows and columns headings are displayed, and contents of all cells are displayed. And make sure you have entered all your details on the spreadsheet showing the formula. Fine. Okay, lots of stuff. Here, this one, they wanna just get printed. So to get the formulas, what we have to do, just we have to go to formula and show formulas. Okay, show formulas, and where we can just adjust a bit, but it's a very long calculation. Okay, and we have to get in landscape. Here also we can do, and there also in print preview also we can do the landscape. See there. If we take to make it appear the whole this formula, it's very big. Let me just see in the preview. Print preview, it's going in 3 pages. This one, second page. Okay, this is the first page, second page, third page. Okay, this way we can print it, because that's the other one is very big. This one goes very big. Formula. Okay, next. Enter data to build a single skin wall with brick code is V, 400 length and 60 centimeters. Okay, this one, let me just get back this shot. Okay, now what have to, okay, I have to just remove the formula here. Now what I'll do is, here they want us enter, here it should be V. Okay, and here it is 400 length and 60 centimeters is the height. 60. Okay, and the single, that to be, we have to go for the single. So this we have to get perfectly fine. It's perfect. Okay, print the spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure the print fits in this in the single page contents of this. Okay, this one showing this form contents, they wanna just a print. Yeah, we have to show like this. Yes, our details are appearing up there. Next question. Change the model so that the wall is double skin and its height is 50 centimeters. Okay, we have to change to double skin, and 50 instead of 60 we have to change to 50 centimeters. Print the spreadsheet again. Okay, so here we'll change to D, and here it should be 50 they want. Okay, so this is the number of bricks, the count, it is here. Then again we have to just take a print of it. Yeah, in the same way we have to take a print of it and save document. Make sure, yes, evidence document also you have to print. Okay, we need a print for this. So for this again, file, print. Here is the one. See, with the D and 50 centimeters over here. Okay, perfect. Now let's go back. Anything more we have to do? Oh, it's done perfectly. All right, everything. Hope you like it.